What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video, of course. And as y'all can see by the title, man, today we're gonna be doing a little POV drive on this nice little Sunday with a couple Hellcats and BMWs. Also scat packs as well. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, of course. We're gonna turn y'all up on this little POV drive. I believe we are going to the valley, so y'all gonna hear a lot of loud downshifts and whines and shit like that. Damn, I gotta make this turn, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see if I can make it. But yeah, y'all gonna hear a lot of downshifting, loud exhaust and whines and all that extra shit, man. You already know, man. We gonna turn y'all up like we do every other POV drive. So make sure y'all turn me up, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe for your boy. We on the road to 20K, and I believe we'll get there soon, man. I'm gonna show y'all the cars once we get there. They are down that way, I believe, in this shopping center right here. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all once we get there. See what we rocking with. Hellcats down there, scat. lorShift Mobile, Supra. Then we got the second gen. Yeah, we got them toys out, y'all. Then we got another red eye down there somewhere. I think he pulling up. Interior check, man. When you driving, you gotta have an elite beverage near you, man. Look at this. Mango, Arizona. You gotta have an elite beverage. Then you gotta have that Fanta for backup. Wendy's. My new floor mats. My brother gave these to me. Charger floor mats. Then we got the stars. Back seat clean as hell. You gotta have a clean charger at all times, bro. It's only right. There go that red eye down there. I don't know if he's gonna be with us, but look like he leaving. We got more cars pulling up. Red eyes, vets, slim body scat, red eye, lorShift Mobile. Closer look at the Beamer. Vet over there. Yeah, we got all them fast machines out, y'all. Fast cars only, bro. I don't know what everybody's doing. I guess we parking over here. Damn, bro, we got hella cars out today, bro. Got the Supra in front of me with the 360 cam. Wide bodies everywhere, bro. Even back there. Shit crazy. Damn, yo, we even got the wide body Chally red eye with the 360 cam on it. I don't know if y'all can see right there, that red one. Then we got another Hellcat behind them and another cat behind them. Yo, we are deep, bro. If we got like another 10 more cars in front of me. This shit crazy, bro. We are in track mode once again, as you guys can see. Oh my God, yo. Second gear. Shit sound crazy. Oh my God, whose car popped like that? They got their hazards on and shit. I ain't gonna do that because y'all gonna hear that clicking noise the whole POV. everybody else got their hazards on. Nah, this POV is crazy, bro. I like this like scenery, bro. It's just so tough. It's the one thing I like about the valley, bro. The scenery is just so nice. Like, scenery's crazy. My car is dirty as shit, bro. I already know. We still got everybody behind us, man. That's a Charlie right there. What I should do, I should turn my taser lights on. She'll look crazy while I'm driving. I'm gonna do that. If y'all don't know, the Z Automotive Taser not only gives you track mode and all that, but it also gives you a light show. Let me see something real quick. I do have the light show on right now. As you guys can see, my hazards and arrows are going crazy on my dash. It will get you pulled over though, I'm not gonna lie, but we with too many cars right now. I don't think the cops worry about me. Once again, y'all, I'm not gonna talk too much. I ain't gonna talk too much because I know y'all wanna hear the engine and shit. And I do as well. Probably end the video soon because I wanna listen to music and stuff. But man, you already know what to do, man. Smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Get your boy to 20K, man. Just a calm little video on a Sunday. Probably gonna drop tomorrow, but you already know what to do. So we're gonna end the video here. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, of course. And check out my last video that I dropped. And man, we're gonna continue to drop bangers, man, on a daily basis. Not on a daily basis, but like every, 3 to 4 days. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I could. But it's your boy lorShift. Thank y'all for tuning in, and we out. Boom.